Hi, welcome to Short. Thank you. When you're driving an automatic cars, okay, use only your right foot and do not use left foot, okay? Because this only applies to manual transmission cars, manual cars, okay? So don't use both feet because I see some um, student they are using both feet because automatic car you can use only one foot, okay? Even you are going to the slope because some students they use both feet, so that is dangerous. So don't use both feet, okay? Because this movement poses a danger while you are driving. So always use one foot only. Okay, thank you.